we have given that ray AB bisects angle CAD. What it means that the ray AB divide our angle CAB to two angles, and these two angles are equal. So measure of angle CAB is equal to measure of angle BAD. So we can write equation, because we have given that measure of angle CAB has expression x minus 15 degrees and measure of angle BAD has expression x over 3 plus 5 degrees. So we have that x, let me copy this equation maybe first. We have measure of angle CAB is equal to measure of angle BAD. So we have that measure of angle CAB is equal to this expression. So we have x minus 15 degrees is equal, measure of angle BAD is x over 5 over 3, of course, plus 5 degrees. So let's forget about degrees. We have to find x first, because we need to find the measure of these angles. So we have x minus 15 is equal x over 3 plus 5. I will move expression with x to the left side and without x to the right side. So we have x minus x over 3 is equal, we have on the right side 5, and I will move negative 15 to the right side, so it will be plus 15. So we have x minus x over 3 is equal 20. What I can do now? We have like here 1x. So let me put 1x, we have minus, and we have 1/3 x. This is equal 20. 1 minus 1/3, we can factorize x, and in parentheses we will have 1 minus 1/3. This is equal 21 minus 1/3. You can find the common denominator will be 3 over 3. So we can change 1 to fraction. So 3 over 3 minus 1/3 x is equal 20. We have the same denominator, so we copy denominator and we subtract numerator. We have 3 minus 1 is 2, and x we copy is equal 20. Now we can multiply both sides by 3 over 2 to reduce this fraction. So it will be 3 and 3, 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 20 with 2 we can reduce, will be 10. 10 times 3 is 30. We have x. So now we have to find measures of our angles. We know that measure of angles CAB and BAD is the same, so we can write that measure of angle CAB is equal measure of angle BAD. So this is equal. You can choose one expression, this or this, it doesn't matter. So we have, let's put this first because this doesn't have fraction. So we have x minus 15 degrees. We found x. So now we can substitute x by 30. So we have 30 minus 15. So this is equal 15 degrees. our angles CAB and BAD have measures 15 degrees, and we have to find now only measure of angle CAD. Measure of angle CAD is equal to sum of these two angles, because B is interior point, so this is equal measure of angle CAB plus measure of angle BAD, and we found these two angles. They have 15 degrees. Let me write this equation maybe first. So we have measure of angle CAB plus measure of angle BAD. So measure of our angle CAD is equal 15 degrees plus 15 degrees. So this is equal 30 degrees. This is my solution.